Listening 147. Listen and read. The Clever Fridge.
Amir turned on his tablet and showed his mum a photo. "Look, Mum, it's a smart fridge," he said. "It was made by scientists. Can we get one?" Mum looked confused. "What's a smart fridge?" she asked. "It's a very clever fridge with a computer on the door," said Amir. "Look, if you tap on this icon, the fridge shows you a baking website." Mum thought for a minute. "But I've already got this recipe book," she said, "and we like baking these cakes." "Okay, well, the computer can show you the food we need," said Amir. "But I can look inside the fridge. Why do I need a computer to show me?" asked Mum. "Oh, yes, that's true," sighed Amir. "Well, if we haven't got enough food, the fridge buys food online for us." Mum looked confused again. "But if we haven't got enough food, we go to the supermarket. And if we go to the supermarket, we usually meet friends at the cafe in town. We like meeting our friends." Amir tried one more time. "Yes, but a smart fridge can play music." "But we can use the radio," said Mum. "If we turn on the radio, we listen and dance to music together. We love doing that." Mum and Amir looked at each other and laughed. "We don't need a smart fridge, do we?" said Amir. Mum smiled. "What would you like for lunch?" "Let's look in the fridge,"